Assalamualaikum everyone. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the formation of format painter. So as you can see that in this above paragraph the font size and the writings are different, while in the lower paragraph the writings are different. So for doing it same, we should not rewrite it again. We should do a simplified method known as format painter. The function of format painter is to copy formatting from one place and apply it to another. We can do this by double clicking to this button to apply the same formatting from multiple places in one document. First of all, we will select this upper paragraph and then click on format painter. Then we will move down and then then highlight this one, and it will be same. Now you can see that the above is also same and the lower paragraph is also same. So thank you for visiting my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.